Fluency is when we do a task and it feels really effortless and easy, which our brains love because our brains like to solve problems as simply as possible with as little effort as possible. Having a fluent customer experience adds a lot more value to a product at no cost to the company. So in your small business, you may consider, how can you make the customer experience of unboxing and getting ready to use your product as simple as possible so that you surprise your customers in a really good way and give them a great first impression. The second great thing that Dyson did for their customer experience of unboxing is include this little booklet about the story of Dyson. Again, if you had told me that I would be talking about unboxing my vacuum cleaner 5 years ago, I would have thought you were an idiot. But turns out I'm an idiot because Dyson has made me a loyal fan. This little booklet just has the story of the company with some pictures and how the founder, James Dyson, created the patent for his inventions. This little story creates more buy-in and brand loyalty for Dyson customers because anytime that we can involve in customers in some kind of higher meaning or epic calling, we're again creating more value for our products and turning passive customers into loyal advocates for our brand. Consider ways that you can use this in your small business to create an even better customer experience. I'm Micah Larsen, and I tell women business owners what to say in their small business marketing. You can find me at micahlarsen.com.